Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this SeeLeveL RV holding tank monitoring system. Now, this system is going to track and display the levels of your RV or motorhome's 3 holding tank system at the push of a button. So if you're familiar with traditional tank monitors, they do have a bad reputation for being unreliable. So they have typically only a few sensors, so that gives you like quarter increments of measurement, and they're inside the tank where they are susceptible to getting dirty and causing false readings. So this system is going to solve those problems by having the 3 12-inch long sensors with the flexible circuit boards that are going to stick in place onto the outside of your fresh, gray, and black water tanks. And these do use the technology that allows them to sense fluid levels through most tank materials. These aren't going to be compatible with metal tanks, but just about all your other tanks, these will be able to see those fluid levels through the tank. And by mounting on the outside of the tank, it's going to prevent those false readings caused by accumulated debris and getting dirty and that sort of thing. And another benefit of these is they are going to measure the entire height, so it is going to provide readings with single-digit accuracy. So you're going to be able to tell if you truly have 25% of your tank left, or if it's getting much lower than that before you run out. So these can be trimmed in 1.5 inch increments to match the height of your tank. So one sensor can accommodate a 5-inch to 13-inch tall tank. You can also stack additional sensors to accommodate tanks that are up to 25 inches tall. Very simple to get this installed. You'll just cut a hole for your monitor. It's got a recessed mount to it. They do include some screws here so you can get that mounted in place. And then you'll attach the sensors onto the tanks. They've just got this peel and stick backing here, so you'll peel off that backing, stick them onto your tank, and then you'll hardwire them together. You can use the existing wiring from your old tank monitor system to make it much easier for you to get it installed. They do include a pigtail for your monitor, so you can get that all wired in place. The sensors do have tabs that you can cut or trim to indicate which tank it's on. When you're deciding where you can mount your monitor here, give you a few measurements to make sure it's going to fit where you want it. So you can see it is approximately 4 inches wide by about 2 13/16 of an inch tall. And if we measure from the front of the plate back to where our pigtail wiring starts, we're looking at about 1 1/4 of an inch deep. So make sure that you're going to have room for that. This display monitor is not only going to monitor your tank levels, but it's also going to show you your battery voltage. It will also have a diagnostic mode that's going to check the status and signal strength of your sensors, and it can pop up error codes to alert you of any issues. You can see we also have this integrated switch here that's going to activate your water pump. This is compatible with a 3-way function, so you can connect switches to your bathroom, kitchen, or wherever else you have a water pump that you want to get connected there. You can also use multiple monitors, so if you want to have the ability to check the tank status from your service bay and inside your RV, you can just add on a monitor, get it hooked up with this system. But having the 3 monitors here is going to give you quite a bit of versatility, and just the superior performance of these is going to definitely make it a great option for keeping track of how much you have in your tanks. So that completes our look for today. I hope this video has been helpful for you in deciding if this is going to work for your setup or not. If not, we do have lots of other options available here at etrailer.com as well, so I'd encourage you to look into those. That completes our video for today. Hope it's been helpful for you. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.